whispers fragile, a music box tune in fields of emerald under a pale moon. A gentle hum starts, a pulse in the deep, secrets of wonder, the world starts to sleep. Tiny blooms reaching for light for the day, unknowing the shadows now coming to sway. Beyond the horizon, the giants awake with thunderous rhythm. The earth starts to quake. No rushing, no hurrying, just slow grinding might, consuming the innocence, fading the light. This garden of beauty, a fragile display, soon to be buried and crumble away. Steel out of the mountain begins to now groan, each heavy chord striking a seed that is sown. And after whispers, a drone in the air, a distant horizon beyond all compare. What once was a promise now turns to a threat. No turning back now, no chance to forget. Beyond the horizon, the giants awake with thunderous rhythm. The earth starts to quake. No rushing, no hurrying, just slow grinding might, consuming the innocence, fading the light. This garden of beauty, a fragile display, soon to be buried and crumble away. A low melody rising, a wail from the core, for beauty unyielding that can be no more. A mournful crescendo, a cinematic plea for all that was pure, for what used to be. Innocence shattered by fate's heavy hand. Dust settling slowly across the whole land. The rumbling ceases, the silence descends. Only a cold hum as everything ends. Hush on the blossoms, a world turned to gray. Just echoes of wonder